Spooky lights, spooky lights, spooky lights. Hello, it's How to Not To, and in today's video I will be doing a fast wash cycle on the Whirlpool washing machine. Never done this cycle before. I always choose, as you know, the synthetic or the cotton wash cycle on a 40 degrees temperature, but today I will be testing the fast wash on 30 degrees temperature. So fingers crossed it will clean my clothes and leave them fresh. Stay tuned at the end of the video to find out if the load turned out okay. So first things first, check pockets for any objects, etc. Aerial. How long will the quick wash take? Not sure, but I'm hoping it will take approximately 30 minutes. So on the hot point washing machine, the fast wash cycle takes approximately 30 minutes, and I'm hoping it's going to take that long on the Whirlpool washing machine. I'm going to start the cycle at exactly 12 p.m. Okay, let's start the cycle. Wash. Eat. Rinse and spin.
Seconds away from the Apollo 11 liftoff.
Astronauts report it feels good. T-minus 25 seconds.
12, 11.
10, 9. Ignition sequence starts. 6, 5, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running.
Okay, so yes, it did take approximately 30 minutes to wash my clothes on the fast wash. Now let's see if it's done a good job at getting them clean. Okay, just removing the first item, which is a sock, and to the touch, it is rinsed properly. It's not wringing wet or anything. So it's rinsed the clothes, but has it washed it properly? Give it a smell. And it does smell really fresh, so yeah, that's great. It does have a fresh, nice fragrance to it, so very good. So in the future I will be choosing the quick wash cycle more often to do my washing, and in my next video, in my next washing machine video, I will be doing a wash cycle at 500 rpm spin, which I've never done before. It was suggested by another YouTuber actually, because I've got problems with the when it spins, it makes a lot of noise, and they suggested to do wash the cycle at 500 rpm spin speed. So that's what I'm going to do in my next video, my next washing machine video. So, and that YouTuber will get a mention in my next video, my next washing machine video, that is. So hopefully it will reduce the spin noise in the drum. If you want to know if it does reduce the noise, the spin noise, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell to be notified on that video, which hopefully will be coming out next weekend. Okay, that's it. So thanks for watching. If you have any comments or suggestions, then please leave a comment down below and I will do my best to respond to them, or even do a video on any good suggestions you may have. Okay, that's it. Bye for now. Oh, and don't forget to like. Go on, just click it. Nice one.